Oh, yeah, look at this. So this is the Aquibear water purification through osmosis. Today we're gonna check this out and see what it could do. So here we go. Let's put the whole bottle in. There you go. Oh, look at this. Look at this, look at this. It's clear, right? Do I dare to drink a filtered Coke? First things first, make sure to hit that subscribe button below. Hit the notification bell as well so you could be notified when the next videos to come with tips and tricks and unboxing just like this one. Check out my merch blog on 130.ca. Hit the like button as well. If you want to get one of these, I'll link this down below. So let's go ahead and check out what this could do. So right here we could see brand new device here from Aquibear. This is a reverse osmosis water filtration. Today we are gonna show you what it could do. It has a pretty good feature as well where you can get hot water in 3 seconds. So as you can see here, we're just gonna take off the plastics. There you go. This is the base on the front there. It's also magnetic, as you can see there. Very nice. Boom. This top part moves, can go here or here. It's up to you. There's also buttons over here. Very nice. This part right here comes off and you can fill this with faucet water or anything you want really. Very nice. This is a little cap right there. As you can see there, you can fill that up with tap water or something. Very nice. Here there's also a pitcher where you can, all your purified water will be over here, be filled here. Very nice. I don't think, oh yeah, there you go. You can open that as well. And this will get filled with water. There you go. This tank you can pour some water, put this in the fridge and freeze some water or something like that. It's gonna be purified water here. This is your good stuff and this is your bad stuff right here. So there you go. Really easy to put back though, like so. And then if you want to put the tank, you just put it like that and put the cap on and you're good to go. So anyone can use this, real easy to use. Now let's go ahead and do the first initial step. Let's plug this in. Here we go. There you go. As soon as you plug this in, there will be lights over here and it will make a noise. Now let's fill the tap water tank with water. So as you can see here, the place that we are getting this from is from the tub. So not good water, don't drink this. But today the Aquibear will be able to filter this, so very nice. As you can see there's the max line. We're just gonna fill it right up to that. And there you go. Now let's put this back on our Aquibear. Now make sure you do this on your initial step because the initial step, when you do the first purification, that water is not drinkable. It's just to filter out all the hoses and the filtration system. So let the water go through it first. So once you filled up your water tank, tap water tank, you just put it back on the back like so. Real easy. It'll beep twice and then it should be able to start the filtration process by pressing the refresh button over here. Let's go ahead and do that. And there you go. It'll start to make that noise, showing you that it is working right now. Now on the initial step, you're gonna have to do that twice. So let's go ahead and hit the circle refresh button again. There you go. It'll start to filter out water again there. I've filled the tank again with tap water. So let's go ahead and wait for this one to finish. Here we go. Now the filtration process will take about 3 times of the exact same thing that we're doing right now. You'll know the difference because the indicator lights over here, the lock, the cup, and also the hot water will start to light up, and then you know that it's ready to go. So let's do this about one more time, and let's see if the lights turns on. And as you guys can see, this is all lit up now. It will light up the lock button there, the water dispenser, the hot water dispenser, and also the refresh button. So basically the lock, you can lock the button so that you won't be able to press it. Right now it's filtering new water, and it's ready to go actually. And as long as there's water on the water tank on the picture right here, as you can see, it's already filling up, then you can dispense water. So let's go ahead and dispense water on our cup right here. If you want water, all you need to do is just click that and it'll turn on. This is just normal cold water, right? Just a normal room temperature water. There you go. Pretty good. Let's taste this out. Yeah, room temperature. Very, very clean water, right? There's not. Yeah, it's very clean. There's not. I don't taste any chemicals. I usually do drink tap water. This is quite flat. It has nothing, like water. Nothing on it. Now the other feature of the Aquibear is the hot water. So the second button there, the third button, sorry, is the hot water. So let's go ahead and test that out. Click that. There we go. Some hot water right there. As you can see, there is smoke coming out of this, so that's pretty cool. Let's see how hot it could get though. Hot enough to have coffee there. So yeah, as you could see, it has smoke coming out of it, so that's pretty cool how you can dispense water within 3 seconds. Let's go ahead and stop that. There you go. And let's check this out. Oh yeah, that's definitely hot water. Very nice. Yeah, definitely hot water. Pretty good. So yeah, you could burn your tongue with that, so that's pretty good. Now we understand that it can filter out water, but I want to demonstrate to you guys the reverse osmosis by water filter by Aquibear. So let's go ahead and use one of the colas and put it there and see if we can clear out the water or filter it out. So here we go. So we're gonna right now, this is a diet cola right here, generic brand of course, right? And then we're just gonna pour that right into the back of this. So basically we'll do, let's put the whole bottle in. There you go. Got the whole bottle in there. So yeah, it's starting to filter out now. Yeah, let's see how well it does. I got a full, how many, what is it, 500 milliliters right here. Milliliters, so let's see if we can filter out most of it. Oh, look at this. Look at this, look at this. It's clear, right? It did quite well. Now let's go ahead and see what kind of taste we get out of this. Do I dare to drink a filtered Coke? Let's see what it tastes like. I don't imagine this like having a really good taste, but we'll see. There we go. Wow. Wow. Yeah, surprisingly, that's just water. Pretty good. Just plain old water. Filtered using Coke. There you go. There you have it, everyone. If you want to get one of these, I'll link this down below. It's really good. You can heat up water. You can filter out water. You can filter out coffee and maybe Coke as well. And Coke as well, as you could see here. And that's it for the day, everyone. Hope you guys have a good day and stay grateful. Peace.